working here at ProtoCAM for almost 20 years. I was hired in July of 1999. So I heard about the opportunity here at ProtoCAM through my college classmate, Ed Graham, who is the vice president here at ProtoCAM. And he said that they were growing and there was an opportunity for me to possibly join the team. And I came out for an informal interview. I met with the Ray Berry, and it was very informal. He drove up on a tractor with bib overalls, and I said, I think this is going to be a good place to work. We get to wear a lot of hats. I work with the customers on projects. I work managing the projects throughout the plant and throughout the process. I do machine setup. I work with the guys in the shop to make sure that the projects are done correctly. Working as a quality manager, so I'm learning new stuff about ISO and the different requirements, so it's exciting to learn something new. I also work closely in the wax casting department. Yeah, it's very interesting working on various projects, whether it be a wax casting or some other type of printed plastic part. When you're working with the customer, you help them solve problems, you come up with solutions that make their product better, that help them with their new product development. And when that project is complete, they show you the appreciation that they have towards you, and it makes you feel good to know that what you did made a difference and a big impact to your customer. I think for customers, it's important for them to know that that ProtoCAM truly cares about them and their project. We're not robots. You call, you get a voice, you get a human to talk to, because everything we're doing is very fast-paced, and sending an email sometimes isn't quick enough, and sometimes you got to pick that phone up and make a phone call, and if you can't get somebody on the other end, then that quick response and quick turnaround doesn't mean anything. So putting that personal touch on what we do makes ProtoCAM unique.